Well, in a massive twist, Uber just cut rates for drivers in a massive way, and they're doing it sneakily. They didn't even tell drivers, and I don't even think a lot of drivers are aware of this, but this is massive. So thumbs up the video, guys. Before I jump in, wanted to tell you guys, if you're looking for a way to make money, there's an incredible opportunity right now here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is one of my pages. I have several that I brought in so far this year, over $10,000 per month. It's only May. Or last year, I brought in over $120,000. Or if you go to the last 365 days, I brought in 130K. Some days making over $2,000 a day. Anyways, if you want to learn how to do this, click the link below. Right now, there's a 30-day free trial to join and learn how to make your own faceless YouTube channel and start making tens of thousands of dollars per month. I've already taught several people in my own personal life, and now I'm teaching you guys online. So 30-day free trial, you can cancel anytime. I do not care, and you can try it out. And I hope you'll stay, but if not, you know, no harm, no foul. Try it out. And yeah, so you don't need experience, you don't need a following, you do not need to show your face. Literally anybody can do it. You just need to put in the time, put in the effort, and put your head down. But part of the thing in my group is that we're gonna help you get monetized, you know, help you, walk you through the way. So I'm in the group, I'm interacting with people daily in the group already. So once you sign up, click login, then go to my programs, click on the whichever program you signed up for, and then join the group chat. Okay, here we go. Uber will soon let riders book a shuttle to the airport. This is crazy. Uber wants to make it cheaper to get a ride to the airport, concerts, or sporting events. The rideshare company on Wednesday announced the launch of Uber Shuttle, an offering that will let users book up to 5 seats in a shuttle from a central location to an event or the airport. So this is a massive cut for drivers, guys, because Uber is now shifting the most popular rides for drivers, and they're outsourcing them so that passengers, I gotta sync up my computer so you guys see it, because we actually do have screenshots. It'll make more sense if I pull up my screen. So here we go. This is on CNN. Uber will soon let riders book a shuttle to the airport. So what does it look like? This is what it looks like, guys. Passengers now, when they want to go to the airport, they get these options. Shuttle, 15 bucks, or take a normal Uber for 33. And you don't even, there's UberX isn't even there anymore. I don't know what happened to UberX, but I guess that's gone. They're pushing people to take these shuttle services. It's like, that's the main one that pops up. So if you're a passenger, do you think you're gonna book one of these things? They don't care. They just need to get from point A to point B. Sure, some people prefer a private ride, but it's like, it's like people don't want to take the bus because they don't want to walk to a bus stop, and you know. But if it's like a nice shuttle and it literally picks them up from their hotel, I'm sure there's going to be routes like hotels and stuff, and then it takes them to the airport. They don't mind, guys. Honestly, they probably prefer it because they don't have to deal with a driver who's like doesn't take care of their car, who's smelly and talks. That's one reason I hate taking Ubers, is because a lot of drivers literally are nasty and they're blasting rap music at 8 a.m. and I'm like, it's just awkward to have to tell them, hey, can you turn down your rap music? And then they turn it down 2 notches and then they're still like blasting music. Anyways, the part I wanted to show is that it sits up to 55 seats. So that means potentially 55 rides gone from drivers. Airport rides and concert rides. So this is a big, big shift, and just in my opinion, another reason why you should quit doing Uber, because they do not care. They're looking to make extra profit on this because they don't have to pay the drivers, obviously. They don't have to pay 55 drivers. They got to pay 1 shuttle driver, and they make more profit. And at the end of the day, more profit for them. They don't care about the drivers, guys. They do not care. They didn't warn the drivers, hey, by the way, you know, we're gonna, like, you're probably not gonna get a lot of airport rides. They just launched it. You have no choice. So if you wanna learn how to set up your own faceless YouTube channel, click the link below and you can start your free trial. So it's 000. We also have a TikTok Shop premium program too, which a lot of people are really liking. People are already making money on there. But the faceless YouTube channel, in my opinion, is more of like a good long-term play, because you can make passive income. Like, this is one of my pages over the course of, you know, a few years. And I have other channels who've brought in more than this, but this is just one screenshot I have. And TikTok is more like make money quickly, I would say, and then Faceless YouTube channel is more like make money long term. So you can try both of them out if you like. Some people have, and you'll see success in either one of them maybe if you put in the time and effort. I've been able to make over $1,000 a day on TikTok. In 1 week on TikTok, I made like 7K. That was my highest week on TikTok. So there's definitely money to be made on there, but I've just made more on Faceless YouTube. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. God bless. We'll talk soon.